Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about the function extension of tag recognition. This video includes two parts. First part is to modify the action corresponding to the tag. The second part is to modify or add tag recognition. Before this lesson, we are going to review the performance of initial program. Click to enter the LX terminal on desktop. Enter the comments to come to the category of games program. Then start again. Program default setting is that TonyPi will bold when the tag 1 is detected. We can revise the feedback action to wave hand as an example. Now, we close again. If you want to modify action group, you need to learn about TonyPi action group instruction first. After connecting VNC, open the file manager of the system desktop. Open the action groups file according to the path. You will find TonyPi action group instruction. Okay, return to the XL terminal now. Enter command to go into the game program through VI editor. If such a prompt appears, press E directly. The line from 76 to 93 are the codes for calling the action group after tag recognition. O is the name of the executing action group. You can modify it directly to change the executing action group. Find the corresponding name of action group in TonyPi action group list. Now, return to XL terminal. Press I to enter the editing mode, then modify bold to wave. After editing, press ESC to enter last line command mode. Input :WQ to save the file and exit the editor. Okay, let's look at the outcome after modifying.
可以看到啊，这个动作我们是已经修改成功了。
We can find that the action is modified successfully. The following video, we are going to introduce how to modify or add tags for recognition. We will add ID4 as new tag. When the tag is recognized, TonyPi will run the triggering action group. Please pay attention to several tips. There is no absolute size requirement for the tag size. If you want to print your tags, it is not recommended to be too large or too small for the performance of recognition. The tag will be circled when recognized. Moreover, you don't need to download materials online. Please go to the directory of this session to find April tag collection for the provided tags. We have provided 200 tags in total. Firstly, we will explain how to modify tag ID. Here, we can find that the program will execute wave action after recognizing tag 1. Press I to enter editing mode, then change digit 1 to digit 4. After modifying, save and exit. Let's look at the performance after modifying. Okay, we close the program. Now, I will teach you how to add new tags for modification. Enter the catalog and open the program file. We need to copy the 86 to 90 lines of code. How to copy it? move the mouse cursor to the 86 line, then enter 5YY on the keyboard. This step is to copy 5 lines. You can see that the prompt will appear below, which means the copy is successful. Then paste these 5 lines of code and move the mouse cursor to the position in here. Mouse cursor on the keyboard to paste the previously copied 5 lines of code. Next step is to modify to copied code. Enter I to enter the editing mode. We need to modify the digit 4 to 1. Then here revise tag ID to 4. TonyPi will execute back action when detect tag ID 4. We can refer to TonyPi action group list to find the corresponding names of action group. Therefore, we modify twist to back. The modification is complete now. Press ESC to enter last line command mode. Input colon WQ to save the file and exit the editor. Now, we run the program to look at the performance. Okay, the modification is successful. There are some tips for you. Please do not enter the name of action group incorrectly. It must be consistent with TonyPi group list. If you enter the customized action group, you have to make sure that the action group is located in the action groups file. Otherwise, the action group may fail to call. This is the end of the video. Now please have a try.